And then we released our very first network cameras. And then shortly thereafter, I thought it was a good idea to sell more cameras by eating as many burritos on video as possible. I'm not going to say that this actively contributed to the success of our video offering, but I will say that video now makes up a large percentage of our portfolio. And we're quite proud to announce that we are going to expand that portfolio today. If James hadn't intimated that we have a new video product earlier, I guarantee you that the chat would have already been flooded with the same request that we've seen time and time again. When are we going to get a smaller version of the NV-32H? Well, I'm here to tell you that that day is today. I'm proud to introduce to you the NV-21-HU. Oh, hi, James.
How to get the NV-21.
Oh, excellent. Thanks, sir.
It's not really that big. I just want to say this is a smaller product, so.
Let's decrypt that model number a little bit. NV-21-HU stands for 2 inputs, 1 output. So you're able to put either HDMI or USB in and out of this device and do collaboration, bridging, and charging.